y'all, welcome back. So for my birthday passed, it was June 18th. I was gifted a box of crayons, and my best friend gifted this to me. Shout out to Ronnie Smooth, follow him on Instagram and subscribe to his channel on YouTube. But this will be my first time using it. So if you can see all the beautiful colors, I think I'm gonna do magenta and some pink with some silver. And the thing is, what I love about this is that it's just really simple. Like, you know how most eyeshadows have, you know, words or whatever? Like, this one just literally has its color. I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do my eyes. I mean, how I do foundation and concealer, you guys can look at this, look at previous videos, but for the sake of time, because I have to go to work later, I'm just gonna do my eyes, and I have to wear a mask anyway, so what's the point? Alright, next I'm gonna conceal underneath my eye. I'm using black opal in the color Honey. Alright, so now I'm going to be just setting it with my setting powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna just put this all over my lid and my crease, because I'm gonna blend my crease with a lighter pink. So far, I really like it. Like, I'm gonna blend this out with a pink. Just taking from my contour palette, and I'm just taking this color. I'm just gonna lightly bronze it out. That way it could be a little bit more warm, you know? And I'm just kind of blending it with the pink and making sure all the colors. So now, with that being said, now I'm gonna do my silver. this is the final look, and I'm very pleased. I have a similar video right here, and it is another pink look that I did. It's a little brighter than this one, but this one is a little subtle, and I really love it. I just love this crayon box. Like, I call it crayon box, but it's the Box of Crayons. But I really love it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you guys like this look, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!